Hi, we're going to learn how to retouch images. We already seen these two tools, clone stamp, pattern stamp, and the spot healing brush and the healing brush. We're going to learn about patch tool and content aware. To open the images, you can find them in the link below. Now, once you have opened the files, we're going to select the patch tool. We're going to be sure to select at the top menu Content Aware. Let me get closer so you can take a look to it. Content Aware. And you're going to decide which element on the picture you want to erase. Basically. So I'm going to do it like this with the mouse. I'm going to move all along the bird because I have selected this one as we have clouds and sky. Then I'm going to press the mouse and I'm going down, as you can see right here. I'm going to release the mouse and here you have it. I'm going to press Command D to deselect, and nobody knows that you used to have right there a bird. Now let's go to the other exercise, this one. I'm going to move this one to this side. I don't want to erase it. I just want to move the position, okay? So I'm going to the toolbar. I'm going to select Content Aware tool. I'm going to move the mouse all along. Oops. Once I have it selected, I'm going to move it and place it where I want it. In this case, I want it really close to the other balloon. Why do I want to move it? Maybe you want to place the text right here, or maybe instead of having like this, you want to put it like this. I mean, you have to consider the position that you want. Once you have it like this, you're going to press enter, and this one is going to be erased and the other one is going to be placed here. I'm going to press Command D. Now, one important thing, I'm coming to the top menu, Window, Layers. I've been working on the same picture. There is no new layer, there is no new layer at all, okay? I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learn it. This video is really small and short for you to make the practice really easy. Okay? Take care. See you later.